Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an online questionnaire on Google Forms or how to create an online survey on Google Forms. The first thing you want to do once you're on Google Forms, you're going to tap on blank quiz from the top menu option. After selecting blank quiz, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all I want you to do, right where you see blank quiz at the top, you're going to select that. And from there, you can type in the title of your survey or your questionnaire. So let's say, for example, I will name this online survey. So I'm just going to do that real quick. After you have added your title, if you would like to change the font style or size, you can do that. Or if you would like to add a background color or image, you can do that. To do this, you'll simply tap on the icon at the top right hand corner that says Customize Theme. Then you're going to see a drop down menu on the right hand column. To change the text font, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see Roboto on my screen. Then from there, you can select the font style that you would like to use. You can also change the font size if you want, and you can change the font style and size for the questions also. And if you wanted to add an image, you could tap on choose an image, and you could choose an image. If you would like to change the color, you could tap on color. You can also change the background color, as you can see right here. Now, after you're finished customizing it to your liking, you can tap right where you see untitled question. Then from there, you could type in your first question. So let's say, for example, I were to use this question just for example sake. So I would type in the question. So I'm going to paste it right here. After you have done that, you can select the answer choice that you want, whether you would like it to be multiple choice, a short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, any one of these options. As you can see right there, there are numerous options you can choose from. Then you're going to simply tap right where you see option 1, and then from there I could type in bus. Then right where you see add another option, you can type in, for example, the second answer. So let's say bicycle, and you can tap on add another option also, and you could type in a third option, and you can continue adding more options. And if you would like to add an image also with the options, you can tap right where you see the image section. You could tap right there. Then from there, you could choose to upload an image if you want. Another thing that you can also do is if you would like to add a points for each answer, all you'll need to do is tap on answer key. Then let's say, for example sake, you would like to add a point. So what is your preferred method of transportation is the question. And then from there, for example, let's say we would like to offer 10 points. As you can see right here, you can select the correct answer and you can tap. If it was a case that there was a correct answer and you would like to offer the points based on that answer, you can simply select the correct answer and type in the point right there. So that is how you would do that if you're offering that. So you can also toggle on required if you would like the questions to be required, that persons have to answer the questions. You can toggle it on right there. After doing that, to add more questions, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus that says add questions. Once you have done that, you can type in your second set of questions right here. So let's say, for example, I would type in second questions just for example sake. After you have done that, you can select whether you would like a short answer or whether you would like it to be multiple choice or checkbox. You can select any one of these options. And then you can tap on the plus once more to add another question. Another thing you can also do, if you would like to import questions, you could tap on import questions. After you have tapped on import questions, if you have created a form earlier, you could import questions from that particular form. Or if it is a case that you'd like to add a new section, you could tap right where you see add section. So you can see right there, it is now split to section 2. and then from there you could add a description and you can continue. Now after doing all of this, to view your responses when you have sent it out, you'll come back and tap on responses right here. Now to share it, all you'll need to do is tap on send in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on send, you will be redirected to this. And from here, you can choose whether you would like to collect the respondents' emails or not. And you can also choose the method that you would like to share it. So for example, if you would like to share it via email, you could type in their email addresses right here and then tap on send. If you would like to share it via link, for example, you can share it on social media or so on. You will tap on the link icon, then tap on shorten URL, and you can simply tap on copy and you will be able to share it via link. If it is a case that you would like to embed it on your website, you would simply tap on the third option, and from there you can copy the embed HTML code and you will be able to paste it on your website. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.